Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Genie Info. I hope you will be fine this time to talk about क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू की महा ट्विस्ट Tulsi is back after 10 years behind bars. Can she save Shanti Nikitan? Simriti Irani led क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी to enter one of the series' most dramatic and emotional phases by Netra Bhatt, published on 24 June 2026. क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी is said to enter one of its most dramatic and emotional phases yet as the story takes a 10-year leap. After spending a decade behind bars, Tulsi Virani returns to Shanti Niketan only to find the family she once held together deeply fractured. Her sons Karan and Gautam now stand on opposite sides, setting the stage for an intense battle of emotions and relationships. क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी महा twist. Kurikaran, played by Hiten Tejwani, Tulsi's return reopens old wounds and long-buried questions as he struggles to come to terms with her homecoming. Tulsi is forced to comfort the painful reality that Shanti Nikitan is no longer the symbol of unity she fought so hard to protect. Can she heal the cracks within the Virani family and bring them together once again? Speaking about this pivotal chapter, Hiten Tejwani said, शांति निकेतन में अब आपके लिए कोई जगह नहीं है. I think that's one of the harshest things Karan has ever said to his Tulsi Bam. Something he never imagined he would have to say after 10 years. Tulsi Ma returned from jail only to face the biggest shock of her life. This is going to be one of the most emotional chapters in the journey of Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. For Karan, Tulsi Ma was always someone he trusted and looked up to, but her return forces him to comfort emotions he never thought he would have to face. What makes his Craig so compelling is that it is not just about Karen's anger towards Tulsi, it's about a son grappling with heartbreak, disappointment, and years of unanswered questions, making it deeply relatable. As Karan and Gomzi find themselves standing at a crossroads with very different views on family and Tulsi's place in it, viewers will witness a roller coaster of emotions. Their conflicting perspectives will test the bonds that once had the Virani family together. The biggest question remains, can Tulsi Ma heal the cracks within Shanti Niketan and reunite the family once again? That's what will keep audiences hooked in the episodes to come, he added. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.